Thank you. Stop by to my channel and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to make bakwan sayur. It's also the popular food from Indonesia. Here's the ingredient: bean sprout, chopped celery, chopped cabbage, chopped cilantro, shredded carrot, chopped green onion, chopped garlic, shrimp, wheat flour, rice flour, cornstarch, baking powder, sugar, pink salt, black pepper, white pepper, chicken powder, garlic powder, onion powder, water, and coconut milk. For all the ingredients of the measurement, please see in my description. And then the next step is I will show to you how to make it. Thank you. We are now ready to start fixing the ingredient. First, we mix all the veggie into the bowl first. Bean sprout, celery, cilantro, cabbage, and then we put also the carrots, green onion, chopped garlic, and we mix it together. Second, we mix with the shrimp. And then the next one is we put wheat flour and we mix it. Put a little by little first. We mix it to make sure everything mixes well here with the veggie and shrimp. Next, we put the rice flour. We do the same thing, do it with the hand, so it will be mixed well too. Next, this is cornstarch. And we put all the season here: chicken powder, sugar, salt, white pepper, black pepper. We mix it again. Next, we put the garlic powder here and onion powder. And then next, we put the baking soda, which is 1 tablespoon only. We mix it well to make sure everything get into the veggie, the shrimp. Then next, we put the coconut milk here. Just make it tasty. And mix it Mix it well. And we put water here, the next one. Everything is mixed well now, and the next step we'll do the frying. Thank you. Here I start frying now. The temperature already warm up, and I put the first one here. So this is gonna be around 5 or 6 pieces first. Just be careful when we frying this. If the bakwan still soft, please be patient. Do not turn around right away. Okay, so we're gonna keep frying, and then to make sure the color will be changed to be golden brown. Okay, then I believe this is already start crispy. Then I'm gonna start turn around. It's almost changed to be golden brown. The fritters or bakwan sayur is ready. Let's see how they taste. Very crunchy, very tasty. Let me see inside, show it to everyone. The shrimp, you see, and all the vegetable is really yummy, perfect, and very delicious, very smooth inside and crunchy outside. And this bakwan sayur, we can eat it with this chili, which is Indonesian chili or Thai chili. And we can eat it with this is a garlic chili and peanut sauce. Okay. And then please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I also listed the bowl that I use it today for cooking, and some scale in my YouTube description, which is they have a Amazon affiliate, so you can take a look and can purchase it from there, the link that I provided, to support my channel. Thank you, terima kasih, and have a good day. Thank you so much.